Alright, so the truck is home. Heh, finally. It's a lot not so dark orange as it is in the camera. That's more the real color right there. Get my marker lights for it. Oh, I can scratch this project off the list now. Of course, there's still work that can be done to it, like cab mounts, those still have to be done. But I got 2 in for now. I did those with Brandon. He's right here. Say hi. Yeah, he's real positive today. And yeah, I've got a little overspray on the exhaust pipe, but that's okay. Now I'm just gonna make up a fake or a temporary bumper for it out of a 2x6 or 2x8 for now, and then call it good for now. So, but I think all in all, it didn't come out half bad. This side definitely turned out pretty good. So, the light is on. So, that's the truck. That's finished for now. So, alrighty guys, thanks for watching.